GPT-5 is finally here, and it's not just faster, it's smarter. Today I'm gonna show you 5 real examples where GPT-5 outperforms anything we've seen before and why it's changing the way we use artificial intelligence forever. If you have used GPT-4, you already know how powerful it is, but GPT-5 takes a big leap forward. It can think through complex problems, remember more, and adapt to your style better than ever. Let's go through the features one by one, and I'll prove each one with a test. Feature 1. Advanced Reasoning. Here's the challenge. Let's type the challenge. You have a 5-liter jug and a 3-liter jug. How can you measure exactly 4 liters of water? GPT-5 solves it step by step. Clearly, fill the 5-liter jug. Pour into the 3-liter jug, leaving exactly 2 liters. Empty the 3-liter jug. Pour the 2 liters in. Then fill the 5-liter jug again and top off the 3-liter jug, leaving exactly 4 liters. So what's the difference? ChatGPT-5 is more concise, logical, and easier to follow. Tip number 2. Multi-Modal Understanding. Better multimodal capabilities. You can check if you upload a photo of a messy handwritten recipe and ask ChatGPT to turn it into a clean, step-by-step recipe with exact measurements. ChatGPT-5 restructured it into a professional recipe format and even suggested cooking tips based on the ingredients. Feature number 3. Flawless style adaptation. As an example, I wrote a prompt. Write a motivational speech as if Steve Jobs was talking to students about artificial intelligence. GPT-5 nails it. Short sentences, powerful pauses, and visionary language that sounds almost real. And the final feature, turning raw data into action. I fed GPT-5 a small table of monthly sales, and GPT-5 went deeper. It gave averages, not just summarizing, it's thinking like a strategist. So, ChatGPT-5 is not just GPT-4 with a speed boost. It's better at reasoning, it remembers more, it understands images and text together, it adapts perfectly to any style, and it gives insights you can actually use. What's the first thing you would test with GPT-5? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more tests and real-world examples, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.